I'm in my local park. This is day 6 of tree telepathy, my tree telepathy experiment. And finally got to talk to one of my favorite trees in the whole park. And this is a Tulip Poplar tree. And we often stop to do, like here's the little workout thing. So I'm often seeing this tree and admiring it. So finally today I got to do some connecting with it. And I love tulip poplars. And so I started off by connecting with this tree. And if you haven't seen the video about how I do tree telepathy, take a look at that if you're curious. So I am in the habit of asking the trees names. And this tree told me it was something like Amy, I-me, or something like that. So female signature of the tree. And so I asked, what's so special about tulip poplars, or what makes me so attracted to tulip poplars? And they seem quite proud because they're a type of tree that places some of their attention on being majestic, on being beautiful. They take pride in how they can be so grand. And there's a lot of majestic trees. There's a lot of really big oak trees around here, but apparently tulip poplars, kind of like how flowers are created just to be beautiful. One of the roles of tulip poplars is just to be physically beautiful. So that's amazing. And this tree, and this has happened a couple of times, as I started connecting with it and I was very close, it released a sweet smelling scent. So I found that to be very interesting as well, that trees have been doing that. So I was just curious that, I was open to whatever I could learn from this tree. And this tree was showing me inner earth. Now, recent satellite scientific surveys, penetrating radar, have showed these massive pockets of inner earth. And this tree was saying that tulip poplars are one of the few trees inside inner earth, and that the human civilization that left the surface before the last cataclysm went down, that's 12, 13,000 years ago, took tulip poplars down because they loved them so much. So I did learn that there is an inner earth interest here near St. Louis. There's a lot of caves around, but that it's not being used for anything. The other thing I just really loved experiencing was hearing and feeling the leaves falling as I sat here.